welcome to Logan Trotman's channel, and today is going to be a little bit of a shorter one. Hope you enjoy it. So, first off, you need this old wheel and this old saw, and then you need one of these bells up above you in a ceiling, and then you need to go to a church and record it like I have done here. And here's very lovely bells that chime in. And then you need a rope, and obviously not this one, that connects to a motor up there, that connects to these boxes and makes the bell swing backwards and forwards and make it chime. And then you need some circuit panels with these little batteries, they're called. And then you put some on the other circuit board, make a plug and make another plug. And then you can see you have it. And then you press that button once and press this one twice, makes it chime better. Because then it makes this noise. Because if it didn't, it would just go bong, 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 bong. That's nearly all from me today. And then you need these discs that spin just right. See, mine's spinning. Obviously I can't spin this one. And that's all from me today. Hope you have a lovely time. And remember, Logan Trotman's bells on Logan Trotman channel. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.